Welcome to the next level of industrial efficiency, where connectivity meets simplicity in the industrial IoT machine uptime counter. This state-of-the-art wireless IoT device is not just a tracker for machine uptime and downtime. It's a gateway to seamless data integration in your manufacturing ecosystem. Unleash the full potential of your data with unparalleled connectivity. Whether it's MQTT, AWS, Azure, your local server, or CMMS, our device speaks your language, ensuring flawless data flow and integration. Effortlessly push your operational data to the cloud for global access, or keep it close to home on your local server. With our uptime counter, you're in control, with no monthly fees cutting into your budget. Compatible with an array of sensors, including beam brake and photo eye sensors, it captures every detail of your production process, offering insights that drive efficiency and productivity. From monitoring power consumption to analyzing production cycles, the industrial IoT machine uptime counter is your all-in-one solution for advanced manufacturing intelligence. With this revolutionary device, you're not just optimizing your operations, you're setting a new standard in manufacturing excellence, all while avoiding unnecessary costs. Transform your manufacturing process with the industrial IoT machine uptime counter. Contact us today to integrate this powerhouse of productivity into your operations.